Hello viewers, in this video we will see the steps to access option chain matrix using the new and improved StockNote Mobile app. With this new feature, you can obtain the live market call and put premiums of all options contract under the selected underlying. Let's see how this works. First, log in to the StockNote app and search for your desired futures and options script. Now choose an options contract and tap on quote. Scroll right and switch to option chain tab. Here, you will find the list of currently traded options contracts with information like last traded price, open interest and change in open interest. The best part is that you can transact by simply tapping on the contract. So what are you waiting for? Experience the all-new options chain feature on StockNote 2.0 today. In case you face any difficulty, feel free to contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support.